Today we are going to unbox an interesting product. It's Pibox and is a USB Type-C to HDMI adapter, which means you can actually project your phone's content to a bigger screen. Now you might be thinking that it can also be done with a screencast option, but in screencasting there is a latency of near about 2 to 3 seconds, which might be good enough for watching movies or YouTube, but it is too much for playing any game. We will get into more details on that and let's see what else comes in the box. So apart from the converter itself, we get this thing. It took me some time to understand that it's a phone stand and it can be tilted at any angle. They have also given the Pibox branding on the stand and there is also a cushion layer at the bottom. Good to see that they haven't given a stand just for the sake of giving it, it's of good quality. They have also given a pouch which came in the box and will just do the job. The build quality of the product is good. It's covered with aluminium on the 4 sides and the plastic on the remaining 2 sides. You also get a plastic covering for the Type-C port, and since it is attached with the cable itself, there is a very less chance of you losing it. You can see the HDMI port which supports a resolution of 4K and we will be testing this. We also have the other 2 ports. One of them is Type-C which is for charging, and you can see a cute little symbol on the converter, and the USB port for connecting any USB device. Without wasting any time, let's connect this device to phone, and when I connected the device to the bottom port, it did not work. The charging was happening and the USB port was also working, but it was not projecting anything to the television screen. But when I connected it to the side port, I could see a dialog that the refresh rate is set to 60 Hz and anything on the phone screen was projected on the TV. I thought of extending the screen, but I did not find any option for that. When the phone screen is off, you can see the Republic of Gamers logo on the big screen. I played a 4K video which I shot from this phone and it did not have any problem playing it. This video was shot at 30 frames per second. When I tried playing a 4K video of 60 FPS, in the entire video I could see it getting stuck once for a fraction of a second. The specification says that it supports a maximum of 30 FPS 4K video. I also played a 8K video and I did notice some lag. I could see it getting stuck in between for near about half a second, and since the converter doesn't support it, we shouldn't be expecting it to play at the first place. When you are mirroring your screen's content to bigger screen, you will not be seeing any delay. Technically speaking, there will be some delay, but you cannot see it from your naked eyes. I did try to find out the delay with the help of a stopwatch and it was near about 40 milliseconds, same as the ideal ping latency while playing any game. Now my phone is getting charged, it's mirrored to a bigger screen and I have also connected a mouse to it. All the 3 ports are operating parallelly and it is awesome. Let's make it even more better by connecting a joystick to it. By the way, there is one video which I posted on how you can connect a joystick to this phone and you can check that out. I'll be having the video link in description. Guys, let me tell you that the experience now is same as playing any other PC game on big screen. I don't have the words to explain the kind of experience I am having right now. Coming to the cost of this device, it's priced at 1000 rupees on Amazon.in and I'll be having the buy link of this product in description. There is also one more product from the same company for 700 rupees, but it is only Type-C to HDMI and it doesn't have the charging and the USB port. I think you should go with the 1000 rupees one so that you get additional functionality. This product will only work with the phones that have the support for MHL or video out. I tried connecting this with my OnePlus 5T and it did not work, and I could only see the USB connection working and not even the charging was happening. In some cases I could see the charging happening, but there was not a case where both the ports were operating parallelly, so I could not come to any conclusion. There is one more thing I noticed. When you are charging your phone through the adapter, I could see that the icons were quite different from the hypercharge and the bypass charge icons. I don't see this as a concern, but something I wanted to mention. You can also connect it with the laptop that has the Type-C charging port, and I was able to extend my display using this device and I did not face any problems with other ports. The warranty of this product is 15 months after registration, so do the registration of your product, otherwise it will only be 3 months. Do let me know in comments if you have any questions on this, and please subscribe to All About Apps and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.